stopped working. But it does this like every time, at least twice. So it's only been one time this time. So hopefully this will be it. It just gets overheated. It's super old. I don't remember how old. It won't start back up. I'm leaving it. It's hot out here. There are so many of these yellow flowers everywhere. And I want to try to watercolor some. So I need to find the right place that's not way in the jungle for me to cut them off. Cute, and these flowers, they're beautiful. Anyways, I gotta go find something else to do. I think I'm gonna make a pie. I've got 2 pumpkins in my garden. If they're ready, then I can make a pie, a pumpkin pie. Oh my gosh. The other pumpkin isn't ready yet, but I feel like I could make something with this. It's like a tiny guy, but it's supposed to be because they're pie pumpkins. Gracie needs to go to the store to get some stuff for dinner, so we're gonna bike over. Thinking of good vocabulary, how to structure my sentences. Hi! They're sheep. Do I look cool or what? We made it to the store. Grace is getting stuff for potato nachos. Okay, I just got out of the store. I got these sugar-free chocolate cookies that are actually really good. That's one nacho. They're actually really good.
When that sleep won't come and you've cried your song, let it come to you.
Okay, so out of 1 pumpkin, I made a jar of pumpkin puree. I roasted some pumpkin seeds. I've got all these pumpkin skins. I'm gonna chop them up and freeze them to put in a soup. So hopefully I can use every part of the pumpkin. Going back to my Native American roots, y'all. That's right, I'm ethnic.
But this is only a measure. It can only get better. It can only get better. And this is only a measure. It can only get better. It can only get better.
That's my bird call.
I am yours. My fault, I need to let lovely. My shoes are now full of water. This on my own. Lady, one time I was right. But if I just showed up at your
That's Gracie's model walk. But why are they toxic?
Because it is. No.
I'm trying to make a video.
Oh.
Oh my god.
It was like being hit by a thunderbolt.
Language, please.
It's a lot easier when I don't have to look at her. You've come up with the money.
OnlyFans, duh.
Oh.
I'm joking.
I would have supported you either way. I'm a fan.
Doing? Why?
Beautiful.